We've been practicing some recall with birds around, haven't we, Sasha? Okay, go. And now she probably just doesn't want to leave. Okay, go. Alright, that's no good for the video, Sasha. You're supposed to run away and then I do the recall to bring you back. And you ignore the birds and you show everybody how amazing you are. But now you don't want to leave my side. Go on, let's go. Purple! There we go. Yes. All right. Okay, go. Purple. Yes. More? All right, come up here. Yes. You're doing your balancing act, are you? What's in there?